Okay, wow. I just got my Jet 90 series Samsung vacuum, but I didn't know it was gonna come with three of different heads already. And then you got the battery and the docker over there. And so I'm like, I was looking for the VS90, but they don't have it. No one's selling it any longer. But with all this stuff that they have with this one, don't seem like it'll be missed. But I'm gonna put this thing together and I'll let you guys know how this work. I mean, eventually I'll do a video on how it may work. And then I'll do video on my appliances eventually. Everything Samsung. My gadgets, I have the Brilliant gadgets. So I need to do a full review after I hook up the other Brilliant, which I have one down there, but it's just the switches. So when I get the other one with the camera hooked up, I think that'll be better because then I can do the talk to each other and stuff like that. So we'll talk soon. Bye.